It's race day. Ah! not having it. Cheers. Come up to a big hill in a minute. St. Catherine's Hill. 10:30 average pace, just over an hour, come up to 6ish miles. First aid station coming up at 7. Feeling too bad. Hurt my back last week, fell down, part of Snowdon, landed on my coccyx, and a bit of a toe irritation, but it comes and goes. Other than that, not too bad. These are decent snacks. You're about 8-9 miles in and you're contemplating whether the Imodium's working or not. Then you go for a cheeky piss and a little fart and you're out as rain again. Thank fuck, because I ain't got any spares. Can't wait to ship myself. So I'm currently doing 31 mile Thebigwayround ultra. Just like to thank everyone that's donated to the brain tumour support. Means a lot. Appreciate it. I'm nearly about a third of the way through ish, so off this point it's probably going to start getting difficult. The woodlands, currently 10:30 pace. We're just over 2 hours, in, about 10 mile mark. Started noticing a bit of an energy drop. Noticed it in the feet, especially with that fucking bad toe I've got at the moment. To use the good. Arrows just about noticeable. Very big gaps between people. Wind's picked up a bit. There's an old dude in front of me who was behind me near the beginning. I was like the whole time. I was thinking, there's no way this guy's gonna keep this up, and he has done, and he's stayed in front. As soon as I've been going for numerous piss stops. But yeah, lovely green grass.
Hello. How are you feeling?
I got to about 10 and I was like, oh, starting to notice it now. We're currently 2 hours 37 in, just past the second aid station, which is pretty much halfway point, which is like just over 15 miles. So perceived by RPE, I'm feeling about 6, 7. Like I say, it comes in waves. Just had a nice naked bar, but I'm not naked. I think I'm going to have a caffeine gel just to give me a little boost because my legs are getting a bit lead. And yeah, crack on. For over 16 miles, even my arms starting to feel sore. Less than 16 to go. About the 18 mile. I've seen anyone in a bit, past a couple of people, and then there's been a bit of a gap. My legs, on a slight incline here. Just going for a walk for a bit. My legs are fucking scrap. Probably walking like I shit myself. Everything's just stiffening up, hamstrings cramping up. So another 13 to go. Just had a caffeine gel, just try and boost me up a bit. And I might try and when I've got 10 miles left, I might plug in my headphones. With a bit of extra motivation. I try to avoid it, to be honest, but I hope I'm on the right way. I've not seen the sign in a while. Yeah, there's a guy behind me, it's fine. Fuck me. When that each mile just feels like it's half an hour a mile and it's like 10ish. It's ridiculous. Oh, coming up to 4 hours. Just hit the 22 mile first aid refreshment stop, so legs are killing, so I'm just like, fuck it, get some salty shit and you get some sort of cramp. Yeah, got to the point now where I'm coming uphill. It's quicker just to walk. Headphones in for the last, it's like less than 10. So let's fucking have it. We're 23 miles done. 3 miles to a marathon distance.
Nearly there, babe. Yeah, come on! Come on! Woo!
So roughly around 6 hours 29. Reset the watch at the beginning, so yeah, 6 hours 29. Legs absolutely dead. Stomach is now back to normal. Got a driest mouth ever because I just stopped consuming anything because it just got horrendous. So I can do with it a little bit of salt just to put back in my body. So yeah, just over 6.5 hours in. Never again. Oh, it's a battered banana. The correct way to rehydrate. Cheers.